Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 4 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Oppo Reno 4 Pro. First of all, open camera on your phone and click on more button here. Here select SLO MO option. Now start recording your video. Click on start button. And I record this video. While recording, it be like a normal video. And open the video that you took. And see the action here, it's in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Oppo Reno 4 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.